Welcome to the tutorial number 16. In this video, we will do practice problem number 2. After watching this video, you will have a practical knowledge about various tools which we have discussed in the previous videos. So, in this video, we will be modeling this part. So, for this, we will model the base, which is 89 millimeters in width, 140 millimeters in length, and 13 millimeters in height. So, for that, we go on to the top plane. We select sketch, we select a center rectangle, smart dimension it to 89 millimeters, 114 millimeters, and we extrude this to 13 millimeters. Now for this dome shaped structure, we go on to introduce a new plane. For that, our reference will be front plane and the offset distance will be 114 divided by 2, and we'll flip the offset. Then we press OK. Now we sketch on this plane. We go on to normal and we draw center line from origin. And we smart dimension it to be 63 plus 13. 63 plus 13. Now we draw a circle on this point. We smart dimension it to be 44.5 into 2, as the radius is given to be 44.5. Then we select a line tool. From this vertex we draw a 90-degree line. We do from the opposite vertex to vertex. Then we use the trim entities tool and we trim these lines, this side of semicircle, and then we close this sketch by joining these 2 points. So this is how our sketch looks. Now we'll use extruded boss base and extrude this to 13 millimeters. And it's already 13 here. Press OK. Now we'll extrude this cylinder on this surface. So for this, we'll do sketch on this surface. We then go to normal and we make this sketch to be visible. We select the circle tool. From this point we make a circle, smart dimension it to be 50 millimeters. Now we'll go on to extruded boss base, and as we need to extrude this till 38 millimeters, as you can see here, we'll extrude it to 38 millimeters. And now we'll use the thin feature. In this thin feature, the thickness of our cylinder will be 5 millimeters only, as the inner radius is 40 millimeters and outer is 50 millimeters. So we'll fit in 5 millimeters and we'll flip the direction because we need it to be inside thin feature. Then we press OK. So now this part has also been done. So now to extrude this part here, we use a new feature called as Rib. For that, we go on and select Rib. Then we select the right plane to sketch on it, and then we go normal to. Now we select the line tool, and from this point to this point we draw a line. We then exit the sketch and we select this both sides. And then we flip the material side, and as the thickness is 13 millimeters as given in the problem, we choose it to be 13 millimeters as you can see here, and then we press OK. So now the rib has been created. I'll hide this plane, I'll hide this sketch. Isometric view. And now here's our practice problem. So as you can see, we have completed it. So this will be it for this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.